Have you ever encountered these situations? Fried eggs that are tough and dry on top. Boiled eggs that are difficult to peel, with yolks that are sometimes runny and sometimes overcooked. Mornings when you're in a rush and just want to cook quickly without having to stand by the stove? If so, please comment yes below, because today's video is well worth watching until the end. I'll share 4 ways to cook eggs entirely in an air fryer. No need to monitor the heat, no need to stand by the stove. Yet the eggs remain soft, smooth, creamy, and never tough. All the methods are simple. Anyone can do them, and they're perfect for busy people, those living alone, or days when you just want a light meal. Remember to watch until the end, because each method has a small but crucial tip. Skip it, and the eggs won't taste as good. Method 1. When frying eggs in an air fryer, many people often follow a very simple method. Prepare a stainless steel tray. Add a little oil to the bottom of the mold. Scan all bottom surfaces. Crack the eggs into it. Then place the mold directly into the fryer. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius for about 4 minutes. This method is quick, with the eggs cooking almost instantly, but it has a fairly obvious drawback. Because the heating element of the air fryer is located above, the heat radiates directly onto the surface of the egg, causing the top to experience heat shock and cook too quickly. As a result, the top of the egg is often dry and slightly chewy, and the white is no longer soft and smooth, but firmer than when fried on the stove. To completely overcome this problem, you only need to make one small but effective change. Add oil to the mold and crack the eggs in as usual. Use a fork or sharp object to pierce the surface of the egg. Then cover the top of the mold completely with aluminum foil, folding the edges tightly so that the foil hugs the mold and does not come loose during cooking. When placing in the air fryer, keep the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius, but increase the time to about 10 minutes. The foil now acts as a heat shield, helping the heat spread evenly around the eggs instead of concentrating directly on the surface. As a result, the eggs cook slowly, the whites become soft and smooth, not tough or dry, while the yolks remain rich, appealing, and retain their natural moisture. Don't overlook this second method, as it makes the eggs tastier and easier to prepare than you might think. Method 2. Boiling eggs without water, using an air fryer. Preparation is very simple, requiring only chicken eggs, depending on the number of people in the household. The eggs can be taken directly from the refrigerator or left out at room temperature. Line the bottom of the basket with a sheet of wax paper or thin aluminum foil. Do not wrap tightly. Then place the eggs on top, spacing them apart so that the heat can circulate evenly. This step helps reduce thermal shock, minimizes cracking of the shells, and helps the eggs cook more evenly. This method uses the hot air from the air fryer to cook the eggs slowly. When placed in the basket and cooked at 170 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes, the whites will just set, while the yolks will only be slightly firm on the outside, remaining soft and creamy inside. Thanks to the stable heat, the eggs cook evenly, without drying out or becoming crumbly. After cooking, soak the eggs in cold water to make peeling easier. This type of egg is perfect for serving with bread or salad. It's wonderful that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you prefer eggs cooked to perfection, neither too runny nor too firm, 8 minutes is the ideal time. At this point, the yolk achieves a perfectly soft, smooth, and slightly creamy texture, making it very easy to eat and versatile with many side dishes. If cooked for 9 minutes, the eggs will be fully cooked. The yolk will be evenly set, not crumbly or dry, retaining a moderate softness, making them very easy to eat. Thanks to slow and even cooking, the eggs retain their natural softness and richness, are easy to digest, and do not become dry. This is a method of cooking without water, oil, or additives, helping to preserve the protein and nutrients in the eggs. This method of boiling eggs is particularly good for your health and is ideal for children, the elderly, busy people, or anyone who wants a light, easily digestible meal. Once the eggs are cooked, place them in cold water for about 3 minutes. Then peel them, starting from the larger end. The shell will come off very easily. The eggs can be eaten immediately, used in a salad, or prepared in advance for a few days, and will still remain soft, smooth, and delicious. If you think an air fryer can only do this much, hold off on switching videos just yet. The next method is the most interesting part. No water, no pan needed, yet the eggs turn out softer, creamier, and more fragrant than both previous methods. I believe very few people have tried this method, and it might completely change how you've cooked eggs up until now. Method 3. Steaming eggs with boiling water using an air fryer. This method produces beautiful, smooth eggs that look very elegant like those served in cafes, yet the process is not difficult at all. The key to this method lies in the steam and the tools you use. Ideally, you should use small, non-stick metal pudding molds. These molds conduct heat evenly and hold their shape well, helping the eggs to cook slowly, evenly, and beautifully. The method is very simple. Lightly brush a drop of oil on the bottom of the mold to prevent sticking. Then pour a little boiling water into the mold, just enough to create steam, not too much. Next, crack the eggs directly into the mold and place the mold in the air fryer. Continuing with the pudding mold. If you don't have a pudding mold, you can fold wax paper into a cup shape as a substitute. The eggs will still cook smoothly and deliciously, it's just that the shape will be a little simpler. The pudding mold helps the eggs form a beautiful round shape with neat edges and a smooth surface, holding their shape very well, so that the finished product looks as good as steamed eggs in a 5-star restaurant. As metal conducts and retains heat better, when steaming in an air fryer at the same temperature, eggs in a pudding mold will cook faster and more evenly. Set the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, foil molds are less heat conductive, so the eggs cook more gently, resulting in a softer texture and requiring additional time if you wish them to be as thoroughly cooked as in metal molds. The end result is a soft, smooth, lightly rich egg dish that is easy to eat, perfect for a quick breakfast, for children, the elderly, or days when you want something light, yet delicious, and visually appealing. After trying the whole egg cooking methods in Method 3, if you want to change things up a bit, making them softer and creamier, switch to Method 4. Making scrambled eggs in an air fryer. It may sound unusual, but with patience and proper stirring, you'll still get fluffy, tender eggs with the same flavor as those cooked on the stove. Method 4. Scrambled eggs in an air fryer. Many people still think scrambled eggs can only be made on the hob, but in fact, they can be made just as deliciously in an air fryer, as long as you cook them slowly and patiently stir them correctly. First, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a non-stick pan. Crack 2 eggs into it. Then use a fork or chopsticks to gently stir, just enough to combine the yolks and whites, without beating them. Place the pan in the air fryer. Set it to 150 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes to allow the eggs to begin to set on the bottom. This is the most crucial step in determining the softness and fluffiness of the eggs. After the first 3 minutes, open the pot and gently stir the eggs from the outside in with a fork, separating each clump of solidifying egg. Then, open the pot and stir once every 2 minutes, continuing in this manner until approximately the 9th minute. Thanks to the slow cooking method combined with regular stirring, the eggs will cook gradually, becoming fluffy, soft, and slightly creamy, without drying out or burning on the bottom, as they would if left untouched. This is the method I often use for busy mornings, as it is quick and efficient, resulting in soft, delicious eggs that are easy for the whole family to enjoy. With just an air fryer, you can make 4 different types of eggs: soft fried, boiled without water, beautifully steamed, and fluffy scrambled. Quick and easy, no need to stand by the stove. Perfect for busy mornings. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on simple yet delicious cooking tips every day. Your share will help spread great recipes to more people and motivate me to create more quality videos. Which country are you watching this video from? And which egg cooking method did you like best in the video? Leave a comment below. Let's cook together, connect, and share delicious recipes from our small kitchens to the world.